welcome Ethan Hawke. Welcome to BAFTA, welcome to London.
No, thank you.
Explorers, your first film, you were 13, is that right? And I read a thing where Joe Dante, the director, said you weren't even going to the audition, you just kind of went along with a friend, and you were so good, he said, that he built the whole thing around you. Is that right?
Yeah. Hints of the truth in that story. This kid who was in my school who I really liked, named Brandon, and so I accompanied him. Well, I got the part, which was a problem for my parents because they didn't know how. You know, they weren't like some kind of stage parents. And to Joe's credit, he loved the story that I didn't have an agent.
Yeah.
And so,
it's a good story. We're going to talk about Dead Poets Society. Do you have a method of how you're going to act in that film?
Peter Weir was adamant that the film not be an older man's viewpoint of what a young boy is like. To the point where he gave us an assignment. He said, okay, I need a scene in the movie where you two become friends. And I want you to get together and write me 3-page scenes, and we'll shoot one of them. So we wrote 3 versions of the scenes, one of which he did shoot, and it's not in the movie, and I don't think it ever was going to be in the movie, but we became friends.
Let's talk about Andrew Niccol's Gattaca.
Yeah.
I think Gattaca is one of the smartest films of that period. Did you, when you got that script, did you realise how special it was? Yeah.
I felt so blessed to get it. I remember a few years ago, I was in line for the bathroom at Shakespeare in the Park, and
Veo muchísimos en el transcurso del día.
there's some security service guys next to me, and I realized I was standing next to Bill Clinton, and he leaned over and goes, "Gattaca's a great film." And I thought, yeah, it is.
Let's talk about Training Day, which is a fascinating film, because that's, on one level, that's a genre movie. It's a thriller, it's got action, it's about cops, but I think there's a lot more to it than that.
When I read the script, I thought, if I do my job well, Denzel will win the Oscar. When the nominations came out, Denzel called me up, and he said, "You know why I'm so happy that you're nominated?" And I said, "Why, Denzel?" "Because if you got nominated, that means people saw the movie. And if people saw the movie, I'm gonna win."